I really recommend the Blue Elephant. As you can see, we bought 2 machines. We've already used the machines. As you can see, we have we've cut several quartz jobs. The machine works perfectly. I would recommend this to anybody. I am very, very satisfied, very, very pleased with the machine. Extremely satisfied. Thank you to Gary very much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir, for everything. He came, he has been here 2 weeks with us, putting together both machines, and he has shown me and my employees how to use the machine. We're very happy with it. He's an extremely hard worker and very intelligent, very extremely intelligent. We are very thankful for Gary and the Blue Elephant team. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.